Mankind's creation purpose for God means that God created man so that he would live in his love for eternity, first in the kingdom of heaven on earth and later as man and spirit in the kingdom of heaven in the spiritual world. Instead, because of the fall, Adam and Eve acquired sin and were dominated by Satan, who transmitted his evil genes to them with the original sin, which is an evil imprinting that every person has in him, like a virus that manifests itself in thoughts, temptations, emotions, feelings and actions, leading us to harm ourselves, with drugs, alcohol problems, smoking etc., and then to others as people, animals and nature. Moreover, Satan transmitted through Adam and Eve to all mankind his evil nature of living without God, without respecting his view and purpose of creation, and often multiplying evil actions in our lives. But God could not leave his original ideal of creation unfinished. In Isaiah 46:11 God said, "So much have I said and so much will I perform, so much have I decided, so much will I do," showing that he will continue to the end of his original plan, determined to save man. His dispensation to save fallen man is to restore him to his original state. Let us examine how God has worked for man's salvation throughout the course of history. History does not consist only of facts, of knowing who did them, when they happened and where they happened. Moreover, man is aware of how difficult it is to shape even the course of his personal history alone. From God's point of view, human history is the testimonialization of his work for the salvation of mankind by separating it from Satan, that is, a work to restore fallen man, who is under Satan's dominion. Human history is therefore the manifestation of God's work to fulfill the purpose of creation in each case. The goal of God's dispensation for restoration is the restoration of fallen man to the position in which he fulfills the purpose of creation, the three blessings God gave to Adam and Eve in Genesis 1:28, and the restoration of the cosmos as it was originally created. So, human history has been the story of God's work to restore the purpose of creation in man's life.